Hi, my name is Sidney Cox. I'm here at J-Tech. Today I'm going to go over arc welding and MIG welding. So I'm going to do a short video showing how to set up the stick welder, running all the bead, and then setting up the MIG welder and running it. Alright, so first I'm going to put the stick in it. You got a go over here and set the machine. Generally, I'm going to set it to 120 and turn her on. And give it a shot. Weld these two pieces of metal together, the MIG welder, and turn it on.